Who is John Legend married to?
Who is John Legend married to? Miss Legend, I don't know. No idea.
Hey, my name is Samira. I graduated from the University of Washington in 2020.
Hello, my name is Clay.
Hey everyone, my name is Kyrie Watson.
My name is Louis Zacharias.
Criminal haircut.
Ephraim Yared.
Elio Zickham.
Hey, my name is Joseph, and I graduated from the University of Washington in 2019.
Who is John Legend married to?
John Legend is married to, I'm gonna say Chrissy Teigen.
Chrissy Teigen.
Chrissy Teigen.
Chrissy Teigen.
Chrissy Teigen.
Chrissy Teigen.
Who is the eldest child of Beyonce and Jay-Z?
Blue, I think. Blue Ivy or something dumb like that.
Okay.
Ivy Blue. Is that her name? Blue Ivy? There we go.
Ivy?
Blue Ivy Carter.
Blue Ivy.
Blue Ivy? That has to be Blue Ivy, right?
Blue Ivy.
The main characters in The Office are employees of what company?
I don't know.
Wait, is it a real company?
Dunder Mifflin.
Dunder Mifflin.
Dunder Mifflin.
Dunder Mifflin. Easy money. You know I know this.
What is the most important factor in calculating your credit score?
What is it?
Credit score, and calculating my credit score?
The most important?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Okay.
How fast, whether or not you pay your credit card off?
Frequency of use?
Try that again.
Was that close?
Utilization?
Nope.
No. What is it?
Try one more time.
I don't know.
Most calculated. Most purchases?
The most important factor would be your net worth.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I got good credit, I promise you.
I don't know. I don't know.
Payments. Right. Your credit history or whatever, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go with that one, credit history.
On-time payments?
Credit history. Does that count?
What is the difference between subsidized and unsubsidized student loans?
Subsidized is when the government pays the interest on your loans while you're in school, and unsubsidized is the opposite, where they don't pay your interest on your different loans.
A subsidized loan, the government pays for or holds back accruing interest until you've graduated. Unsubsidized, it accrues interest as soon as you take the loan out. Let's go. Come on.
Is subsidized when the government helps with your student loans? And the unsubsidized is when it's private loans? No.
Oh for 2.
How are short-term and long-term capital gains taxed differently?
Like what's the tax rate?
Well, capital gains are depending on how long you had the asset, and so I know there's like 0 and 15 and 20% depending on how long you had it and what your financial status is. I don't know if that answers the long versus short term as accurately as you wanted me to. I'm sorry.
Are they taxed differently?
Gonna have to pass on that one.
If you're selling something before a year, right, like a short-term day trade or something, it's taxed differently than if you're holding on to a stock for 3, 4, 5 years.
I'm gonna say short term is taxed more heavily.
Would it be like the amount of the tax? Short-term capital gains have a lower interest rate than long-term.
What is the long-term capital gains tax rate for individuals earning between zero and $40,000?
I don't even know. Is it a high number?
I no idea. Wouldn't know the percentage.
5%. 4%?
12%.
I'm gonna go with 8%.
0%?
Yep.
Oh, yup.
0.
Wow.
Come on. Come on.
0.
How much should you save for an emergency savings fund?
Let's say 3 to 6 months of living expenses.
Anywhere from like 3 to 6 months.
Yeah, this is the 3 to 6 months worth of rent, right?
Living expenses.
Living expenses, yeah.
6 months living expenses. Wow.
Like 3 to 6 months worth of like living costs.
I would say like 6 months of rent at least.
At least $5,000.
More than a couple dollars. Probably like, I would say like 5 to 10,000.
All right, so it feels like I killed it. I don't know. You scared me with that long-term capital gains thing. I don't know what the answer was there, but coming to you soon from College Money Habits. Feel me? Yes, sir.
First of all,